You finally hit publish on your first Amazon KDP book, but then crickets. No sales, no reviews, no idea what to do next. I've been there, and let me tell you, getting your first 100 sales is the hardest part, but also the most exciting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact 2025 strategy I used to go from zero visibility to my first 100 sales, step by step. No fluff, no hype, just real, actionable tactics that actually work this year. Stick around till the end, because the last tip can completely change the game for your book. Subscribe to The Silent Publisher if you want to stay ahead, stay smart, and stay profitable, without the noise. Now let's talk about the foundation, organic sales. No ad spend, no gimmicks, just optimizing what you already have. Keyword strategy. Your book needs to show up where people are already searching. The easiest way? Go straight to Amazon. Type your book's topic into the search bar and see what auto-completes. These are real-time keywords that readers are actively searching for. Don't chase fancy SEO tools yet. Amazon itself is the best free research tool you've got. Use these keywords in your title, subtitle, and 7 back-end keyword slots. But keep it natural. Don't stuff your title with random terms. Make it flow while still targeting what people are typing in. Here's a trick. Look at 3 best-selling books in your category. What keywords do they have in common? That's your keyword goldmine. Title, cover, and description. If your title doesn't instantly communicate value, it's a scroll past. Make it punchy. Make it clear. How to Draw Cool Stuff beats drawing for beginners every time because it's specific and visual. Your cover is a silent salesperson. If it looks amateur, readers assume your content is too. You don't need to be a designer. Just study top-selling covers in your niche and model their layout, fonts, and color schemes. Tools like Canva and BookBold can help even if you've never designed before. Now for the description, this is where you sell. Start with a bold hook. One sentence that speaks to a pain point or desire. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and bold text sparingly. Think like a marketer, not a writer. You're not summarizing the book, you're convincing someone to buy it. Use phrases like perfect for busy moms or step-by-step guide to connect with specific audiences. Categories and author name tricks. Don't overlook categories. Use Amazon's support chat to request placement in more relevant subcategories. Less competition equals higher visibility and higher chances of hitting a bestseller rank. Also, consider publishing under a pen name that fits the niche. For example, if you're writing kids' books, a fun-sounding author name can improve trust and click-through rates. If you do only this, optimize your keywords, title, cover, and description, you can absolutely start seeing organic sales come in. But to really unlock growth, let's look at where social media fits in. Organic optimization is the base, but if you want to pour fuel on the fire, social media is your best friend. And no, you don't need to dance or go viral to get real results. Pinterest, passive traffic machine. Start with Pinterest. It's a visual search engine, not just a social platform. That means your pins can rank and drive traffic for months, even years. Create 3 to 5 pins per book, each linking to your Amazon page or a blog post. Use tools like Canva to design them in minutes and add relevant keywords in your pin title and description. And here's the kicker. Even a small Pinterest account can bring in hundreds of views if you pin consistently and stay niche-focused. Next up, YouTube Shorts. If your book teaches or solves a problem, create super short videos with value-packed tips. Let's say you've written a journaling book. You can post quick, daily journaling prompts as shorts. No need to show your face. Use slides, screen recordings, or AI voiceovers. Add a clear CTA. Link to my journal in the description. These videos are free, fast, and highly discoverable in 2025. Finally, don't sleep on Facebook groups. Join 5 to 10 niche-relevant groups, ones where your target readers hang out. But don't spam your links. Engage genuinely. Answer questions, share value. Then, once you've built some trust, you can casually drop your book when it's relevant. That's how you promote without being salesy. Some of my earliest sales came from a single comment thread where I simply shared what I'd learned and linked to my book as a helpful resource. Social wrap-up. Just one of these platforms, used consistently, can drive traffic and sales. Stack all 3, and you're building a mini traffic ecosystem around your book. So, you've optimized your listing and set up some social traffic, but you're still looking for faster traction? Let's talk about Amazon ads, but don't worry, we're keeping it beginner-friendly and low budget. Start small first. Set your daily ad budget to something realistic, $2 to $5 per day. You don't need big spending to test the waters. Amazon PPC works on a bidding system, so even low bids can get you impressions if you're targeting smart. Choose automatic targeting first. Let Amazon do the heavy lifting. Once the ad runs for 5 to 7 days, go into your reports and see which search terms converted into clicks or sales. Then, take those winning keywords and plug them into a manual campaign. This is where you'll get more control and better results over time. Focus on one book. If you have multiple books, pick one, your strongest title, and run ads only for that. Splitting your small budget across many titles dilutes your data and results. Focus equals faster feedback. Amazon's ad dashboard isn't the most intuitive, but pay close attention to your ACOS, advertising cost of sales. If it's under 70%, that's decent for a beginner. If it's higher, tweak your bids or pause poor-performing keywords. And remember, it's okay to lose a little money at the start. These are lessons, not losses. You're buying data to help Amazon understand who your ideal reader is. That's powerful. Key takeaway: Amazon ads won't make or break your book, but when paired with great metadata and a solid cover, they can seriously speed up your first 100 sales. Start small, stay patient, and treat it like a learning tool, not a magic bullet. You don't own Amazon's platform, but you can own your audience. That's where external traffic and email marketing come in. Free lead magnet. Offer a free bonus inside your book, something helpful that complements the content. If it's a cookbook, give away a printable meal planner. If it's a self-help book, create a one-page worksheet or checklist. Mention it in the first few pages of your book. Grab your free journaling guide here, yourwebsite.com free. Now readers have a reason to visit your site and you get their email in return. Simple landing page. You don't need a fancy website. Just use a tool like MailerLite or ConvertKit to build a clean landing page with one goal: capture their email. One image, one sentence of value, one email box. Done. The key is to make the offer feel irresistible, like they're missing out by not downloading it. Build your email list. Once they opt in, follow up with an automated email welcoming them and gently recommend your other books or similar titles. Over time, this becomes your own traffic source. Launch new books directly to them. Ask for reviews. Even promote affiliate products. You're no longer relying on Amazon's algorithm. You're building a real asset. This step alone won't get you 100 sales overnight, but it's the smartest move you can make for long-term success. Every big self-publisher eventually builds a list. Start now, even if it's small. Ready for Section 6. Bonus tip: building a brand without showing your face. Want to take this to the next level? Build a niche-focused brand around your books, even if you never show your face. Pick a niche: journaling, low-content books, kids' activity books, whatever, and create a simple, recognizable brand around it. That could be a consistent author name, a unique design style, or even just a content theme you stick to across all platforms. This works insanely well in 2025, especially when combined with social content. You can use AI voiceovers, faceless videos, carousel posts, whatever feels comfortable for you. The benefit? When someone likes one of your books, they're more likely to buy another from the same brand. You're no longer just selling a product, you're building trust, familiarity, and loyalty. It also makes your Amazon author page look like a real business, not a random one-off experiment. You don't need to be famous, you just need to be consistent. All right, let's bring this full circle. You now have a full roadmap to get your first 100 sales on Amazon KDP in 2025. Optimize organically with strong keywords, covers, and descriptions. Use Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook groups to get free traffic flowing. Test Amazon ads without burning cash by starting small and focusing on one title. Capture external traffic with lead magnets and a simple landing page to build your email list. And finally, build a niche brand, even anonymously, to turn one-time buyers into repeat fans. You don't need to do everything at once. Start with one or two of these strategies and grow from there. The first 100 sales are the hardest, but they're also the most rewarding. Once you cross that line, momentum takes over. If you haven't yet watched my beginner tutorial on how to publish your first KDP book step by step, go check that out next. It'll give you the full context if you're just starting out. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more KDP tips, and leave a comment telling me where you're at in your publishing journey. Let's grow together. Banger.